Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm in the kitchen with my brother Yoni. Welcome to the kitchen.
Hello.
Welcome. You're back.
Yep.
Do you think your cooking skills have improved since last time?
Not one bit.
Can you guess what we're making?
Hamburgers. No, there's no buns.
Nope.
Oh, spaghetti and meatballs.
Yes. Have you ever made spaghetti meatballs?
No, but I made mac and cheese in camp once.
An irrelevant fact. Let's get cooking. I feel like you can do. I feel like it'll be mostly edible.
Okay.
Yoni is thrilled to
Let's
be
get
here.
started.
All right, you have everything you need in front of you. You could choose the amounts. These are not specific amounts, and I'm just ready to try it. So do you want to get cooking?
I feel like I should plan this out a little bit before. Last time we had like cashews at the beginning, cashews at the end. Everything was kind of all over the place.
We love a planned chef.
I think I need a pan. Okay, good enough.
Great.
Meat.
Okay.
That's one meatball. Where can I get a plate?
Oh yeah, but also be careful. The only thing I will say is you got to be careful for cross-contamination. So don't touch anything that you shouldn't touch.
Oh right, can't touch it. Crap. Can I cut it? Let me get the
No,
knife.
don't touch this thing. Okay, Yoni.
Oh, you don't want me touching anything, not just other food. Okay.
No. All right, so you're adding the vegan butter into the pan. Oh, and you just touched that also, okay.
No, I didn't.
I don't think you really get the whole cross-contamination thing.
It's a lot to keep track of. I need some oil, right? Or something. Like, I need something to put all this in. Oh, I feel like the butter's gonna be gross.
That one's olive oil.
Okay.
You never cease to amaze me.
It's already going that bad.
It's going in ways that I didn't know were possible.
I'm gonna put the meat in here and like cook it and stuff. And I thought like the spices and stuff I put in would add like flavor like last time.
Got it.
No more cross-contamination. So we got tongs. So.
Oh, wow. You're a big tongue man. All right, we have our first meatball going in. Oh, already flipping it, immediate flips.
Well, this isn't a flip. That doesn't count as a flip. This is just getting it all...
Getting it all coated, okay.
Oh,
What?
I'm supposed to put stuff in the ground beef. It's not just supposed to be ground beef. All right, well, good thing we only used one meatball. I feel like I should just toss stuff in. I feel like, not just one.
Okay.
A little bit of breadcrumbs in there. Mm-hmm. Okay, your facial expressions aren't that bad. That
This is the first step you're doing right.
Oh, no way. You know what? All right, if it's right, we'll just do all of it. Too much?
I'm just stretching my face.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want an egg?
I didn't even know I needed an egg, but all right, sure. Oh, does the egg go in here?
Yeah, I realized I didn't give it to you. Wait, are you cracking it into the garbage?
No, I'm just trying to not make a mess, dude.
I have never seen this technique before.
Let's knead the egg. Here, come back here. Dude, people are gonna think I like really don't know what I'm doing.
They may.
Onions, yeah.
Okay.
Could this be going worse?
Yes, if you had stayed on the path you were on before, that would be worse.
Okay. All right, the garlic was probably supposed to go in the meatball. Now that I'm thinking about it, but it's got onions, so like you guys could settle. That's fine.
You guys, it's us.
There we go. I have no idea how these are gonna cook. These are really big. Probably shouldn't have made them that big. It's flipping time.
Oh, wow. Okay, that was quick. Oh,
Okay.
Oh, wow. There's some nice golden brown action on there.
Yeah, that's what I was going for, so.
Wow.
All right, those don't look so bad.
Yeah, less bad than I thought.
Okay, cool. Let's get these going.
Okay.
While I make the sauce. Wait, I really want it to. Okay,
Make your pan smoky.
That didn't work like I wanted to. Okay. Oh, do I have to wait until it boils to put them in?
Yeah.
All right, what is the difference between these? All right, whole peeled potatoes.
Tomatoes.
Did I really say potatoes?
Yep.
Whole peeled tomatoes, and then we got crushed tomatoes. What's the difference? Oh, I need a can opener.
What do you mean, what's the difference? You just
Like,
said it.
why would you need one over the other? These are whole and these are not. Like, oh, thank you.
Okay. Oh, right.
I don't want to like spill all over myself.
Okay.
Sauce. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Sauce. All right, onions in the sauce. Chili flakes. I don't even know what this is.
No, take a guess. Come on.
I have no idea. I'd assume tomato paste, but isn't
Yes.
it what this is?
No, it's crushed tomatoes.
Okay. All right, that looks good.
Not gonna lie, it smells good. Thank you.
Got you. Yeah, it does smell really good.
Yeah, it smells good.
But that's like all I got going for me right now.
Yes, I'd agree with that. All right, I'm gonna do a little help and get you a little strainer.
No, I'm gonna do it now.
Be careful.
Flame goes off, yeah, hot water. Okay, this goes in the sink. You do this in the sink,
Yes. Get oven mitts.
right? Yeah.
Okay, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful.
I got this, dude. I got this.
Okay.
What? Pasta. Oh, that is not a crazy amount of pasta.
You also dripped all the water on the floor.
Right, I forgot this thing's still wet.
Ooh, we have some beautiful golden brown edges.
No, pasta's not supposed to have golden brown.
A little crunch.
That's fine. I need some plates. I think we're ready. Can I grab a plate?
Yeah, go grab anything you want.
All right, let's find some bigger ones of these. Not bowls though. They need to be pretty small.
Why?
Oh, these are nice. That could fit a meatball. All right.
Why aren't you grabbing our large bowls?
Because I want to make like smaller portions. It's an appetizer, I decided.
You have an entire just little ramekin of spaghetti.
Oh, hell yeah, that looks dope. Who doesn't want a spaghetti and meatball shot, all right? This is so cool. Well, unfortunately, some of these other meatballs aren't getting plated. I don't think they care. Like, I think it's fine. Is it tasting time? I haven't decided if I'm done yet. I feel like it needs something else. Oh, the vegan cheese. Okay.
Sprinkle.
No,
Whoa, not a sprinkle.
not it.
A dome.
Yes.
This is fascinating.
Looks
Let
like
me get
it's,
us utensils.
looks like it's got a hair. This is really funny.
So how do you eat? Do you eat it like a shot? How do you eat it?
If you can eat that like a shot, dude, go for it. But
I can't.
I don't think I will be.
All right, let's.
Right,
give
I
this
really
a
like this
try.
one. All right, 3, 2.
No, are we cheersing?
It's spaghetti, but all right.
Cheers. It's basically like it starts off good,
It does, yeah. No, the first bite, first
Great.
30 seconds, it was great.
and then just into raw onion.
You're thrilling us with the potential of
I am
trying
so
this.
excited
Well, let
for
me
you
get you
guys to
fork.
eat this.
Yes,
I'm actually
thank
having
you.
another bite.
So, okay. all
Get some
right.
sauce in there.
I'm really liking
Yeah,
this. This is really
beautifully
funny.
incorporated. Oh, I really do have a whole piece of raw onion
Yes,
right there.
yes.
That is.
So, like, what a sauce consistency.
I know.
Enjoy.
Yoni.
Good luck. Cheers to Yoni.
Right, starts off good. It's good. It's good. Keep chewing, and there you go.
Oh man. Oh man, Yoni.
It's pungent.
Whoa, dude.
My tongue is on fire. This is the whole surface of the tongue.
Beautiful presentation. I love the sauce moat
Okay,
and the cheese hat as well.
thank you. Okay,
Well, this was a journey.
this was all right.
Why don't we clean up? And I'm going to show you how I make spaghetti and meatballs. You know, we'll cook things.
Okay.
Hello.
What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
If you haven't already, maybe pre-order Eitan Eats the World.
If you want little spaghetti things,
Nope, that's not in this book, but it is full of 85 of my favorite home food recipes, and I cannot wait to share from my kitchen to yours, and to develop a pre-order everywhere that you buy books. Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, Amazon, all those places. Pre-order coming out May 3rd, 2022. That's this year.
That is this year.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Crazy. Let's go. Okay, let's do this the correct way.
okay,
So, step one, we will be cooking the onions.
okay. Oh, I used the right oil.
You did.
Okay,
At least one thing was right.
1 point, let's go.
1 point, Yoni. Take our onions into the pot with some olive oil. You want to also grab the garlic?
Yeah,
Add that right in there.
all of it?
Yep, and we're just gonna saute that up. You know, make sure it's cooked. While those cook, let's make the sauce. Marcella Hazan, the legend of Italian cuisine. She has the best tomato sauce recipe, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Take the whole peeled tomatoes. Now see how it's like whole tomatoes, hence the name?
Yeah.
Whole peeled, that'll give it some texture. Then take your hands
Texture.
and smash.
What are you doing over there?
Smashing the tomatoes. Great, now do you want to dump that in here?
Yeah, oh crap, okay.
Dump. Oh.
Okay, maybe too much dumping.
Careful dump. Now, do you see that onion there that we didn't cut?
Yes.
So you're actually just gonna place that onion into here. It's just gonna like release its flavors.
Which one?
Right here. Yeah.
There?
It'll give sweetness, flavor, all those great things.
Okay.
Little red pepper flakes for some heat. Some vegan butter in there. That's her secret to the perfect tomato sauce. So let's take our onions and garlic into the bowl. Now, into our onions, we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. So over here we have
pour some stuff.
Yeah, breadcrumbs into there. Breadcrumbs in there, a little tomato paste. Some of our vegan parm in there, red pepper flakes, and to make them nice and juicy, some chicken stock.
Ooh.
Now, do you want to whisk that up?
Sure.
Now, what we're doing also adding chicken stock, see how we're like kind of rehydrating the breadcrumbs?
Right.
So just mix that all up. Yeah, here, just keep on mixing that up.
Keep this. All right,
yeah, maybe I'll do
it,
it.
man.
Eggs, now let's crack an egg in. Ready? Can you do one-handed egg crack action?
I've done it before. I don't know
Ready?
if I can do it again.
Bam, bam.
Oh,
Whoa.
that wasn't horrible. Keep mixing.
Yes, and now just mix it up until fully combined. So what we're doing is we're making this flavor-packed, texture-packed mixture for us to add into the meat. Now let's add in our ground beef. I'll kind of just break it up into there. Now, so do you feel like you've been starting to learn, a little bit about?
Well, like in the moment, yeah, but I probably won't remember like how to do all this stuff.
I appreciate the honesty. Great, now could you get the olive oil? Give that a good drizzle all over our sheet pan. Now, you chose to do the liberty of cooking them in a pan. I prefer the old oven method. Cook some more evenly, quicker, make sure they're all cooked and good.
You could also do like all different sizes if you'd like.
No, we're gonna try to keep them consistent. We're going for about 2 ounces. So each meatball, just like that, rolled into a perfect ball.
Oh, okay, yeah, this is definitely different than mine.
Yeah, look, see, does that look
Do
around?
I compress it or not?
Yeah, a little bit. Just kind of roll it, slight compressions. Let's see if they're the same size. Oh, pretty good, actually. All right, great. Here we go. And you want to place them about 1 inch apart from one another. So, what's our oven preheated to? Can you let me know?
450.
450, great. Meatballs are formed. Do you want to pop it in the oven?
Sure.
Just be very careful. Middle rack.
I'm gonna use an oven mitt. I do not trust myself.
Middle rack. We're gonna cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes per side to get them nice and golden brown. There you go.
That's hot.
It is a hot oven. That's what they do. That smells delicious.
It smells like tomatoes.
That is the primary ingredient. So at
Hint
this point,
of onion, maybe. Well, now we can't use that.
Yeah.
Nice job.
At this point, let's just give it a little preliminary taste. See if we're gonna need any sugar. Okay, definitely needs a little bit of sugar. Now, do you have any idea why you add the sugar into tomato sauce?
Sweetness.
Yeah, the tomatoes can be sometimes very acidic, so adding in a few pinches of sugar actually really helps balance that out. So we got our sugar in there, some beautiful basil, little pepper, and we're just gonna let our sauce simmer. And meanwhile, why don't we just do some cleanup? Pop them out of the old, whoa, it's hot. Okay, safety is important. Here we go. Look at those meatballs.
Oh, wow. Those look good.
So our tomato sauce is cooking. Transfer all the meatballs into the old sauce. Well, it's new sauce.
Let me get a try.
You're gonna decapitate it. There, and into the sauce. All right, do you wanna grab the old spaghetti?
Yes.
Here you have water. Now, you may notice my water is boiling. Salty like the sea.
All right, let's try and make these like go normally.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make it like go in a spiral.
Made like a teepee.
Good enough.
We're just gonna cook these until al dente. Do you know what al dente is?
No clue.
So al dente is like to the tooth.
What does that mean?
Like when you like grab a piece, it's not just like mushy. There's a little tooth to it.
Do you guys understand this? I don't.
Yes, everyone in the room is nodding. Yes, yes. Dun, did it on!
Meatball!
Whoa! Unlike what you did, I am actually going to incorporate some sauce with my pasta. I reserved some, like the man I am, and just pour it onto your pasta and stir that up. That'll just make sure that you have some nice sauce on the actual noodles. Now, unlike you, this is more the type of bowl I typically think of when I think of spaghetti and meatballs.
Well, mine was an appetizer.
Okay, I think what we're trying to do is get like a pasta twirl.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take that and twirl like that. Look at that. And scoop up the meatballs, very carefully transfer. Yoni, it's all about carefulness.
No, it's all about the sauce mode.
And grab some sauce. And as you can see, some of the meat has kind of broken down to give us almost like a meat sauce. Pour that over top. Top it with our vegan parm. Ooh, look at that. And just because I'm gonna just top it with a little flaky salt bay action over the top and a hefty amount of freshly cracked pepper
Pepper.
and bone apple teeth. Dinner, breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner is served. Slice into the meatballs. Ooh, look at that. Cheers,
Cheers.
to pasta and spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh, it's hot.
Woo. The meatballs are full of flavor. See how there's not like that really pungent oniony flavor? It's just really well rounded with flavor. The breadcrumbs there and the egg just really give it some nice body. What have you learned today?
Not one bit.
Well, hope you did watching this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Comment down below whose meatballs recipe was better. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post videos. And if you haven't already, be sure to pre-order Eitan Eats Be sure to pre-order Eitan Eats the World. Available for pre-order everywhere books are sold and on EitanEatsTheWorld.com.